Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me. Today we are continuing with you with 50 of its intermediate words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Undulate, tarangit hona, the flag undulated in the strong wind. Unanimous, sarvasammat. The jury reached a unanimous decision. Underling, adhinast. The CEO never listens to his underlings. Urbane, Sanskrit. Susanskrit, he is known for his urbane mannerisms. Ulterior, gupt, aprakat. He had an ulterior motive for helping her. Uncanny, Ajibo-garib, रहस्यमय. She has an uncanny ability to predict the future. Ubiquitous, sarvavyapi. While phones have become ubiquitous in today's society, unfazed, beparwah, aprabhavit, she remained unfazed despite the criticism. Unison, ekta, samanjasya, the choir sang in perfect unison. Untimely, asamay, samay se pahle. His untimely death was a shock to everyone. Undermined, kamzor karna, nuksan pahunchana. His rude behavior undermined his credibility. Unravel, suljhana khona. Ulna, the detective, unraveled the mystery. Unwitting, anjane mein achetan. She became an unwitting accomplice in the crime. Upheaval, uthal-puthal, ashanti, the political upheaval caused widespread protests. Unyielding, adik kathor, her unyielding attitude helped her succeed. Unassuming, vinamra sadharan, despite his wealth, he remained unassuming. Unscathed, achat, bina nuksan ke, he escaped the accident unscathed. Unkempt, astavyast, bikhra hua, his unkempt hair made him look untidy. Unerring, achuk, त्रुटिहीन, his unerring judgment saved the company. Underbelly, kamjor paksh, andhakarmay paksh, the underbelly of the city is filled with crime. Unbridled, aniyantrit, belgam, his unbridled enthusiasm inspired the team. Unearth, khoj nikalna, ujagar karna, the archaeologists unearthed ancient ruins. Unsettling, bechain karne wala, pareshan karne wala, the news of layoffs was unsettling. Uncouth, sabya, jeev, his uncouth behavior embarrassed everyone. Upstanding, imandar, charitravan. He is known as an upstanding citizen. Utilitarian, upyogi, vyavharik. The design of the building is purely utilitarian. Unorthodox, aparamparagat, asamanya. His unorthodox teaching methods are effective. Ultraviolet, parabengani. Excessive ultraviolet exposure can harm the skin. Undertone, sukshma sanket, gupt arth. His speech had an undertone of sarcasm. Unwarranted, anuchit, gair zaruri. His anger was completely unwarranted. Unparalleled, atulaniya, bejod. Her dedication to the project was unparalleled. Undeterred, bina ruke, avichalit. She remained undeterred despite many failures. Unflagging, atut, lagatar. His unflagging determination led to his success. Unbeknownst, anjan, agyat. Unbeknownst to her, they planned a surprise party. Underhanded, kapati, dhokebaj. He used underhanded tactics to win the game. Untarnished, Nishkalank, Bedag. His reputation remained untarnished despite rumors. Unperturbed, Shant, Vichalit na hone wala. She remained unperturbed by the bad news. Unmoved, Atig, Aprabhavit. He was unmoved by their pleas for help. Underwrite, Vitya Samarthan dena, guarantee dena. The company agreed to underwrite the new project. Undue, Atyadik, Anuchit. He showed undue concern for minor details. Unrelenting, Kathor, Adik. The unrelenting storm caused massive damage. Upturn, uchhal, unnati, there was a sudden upturn in the stock market. Unhinged, pagal, asantulit, the stress of the job left him completely unhinged. Unsound, aswast, asthir, the bridge was declared structurally unsound. Unfurl, kholna, phelana, the soldiers unfurled the national flag. Understaffed, karamchariyon ki kami, the hospital was severely understaffed during the pandemic. Severely undisputed, nirvivad, nirvirod. He is the undisputed champion of the tournament. Unflappable, adik, shant. Despite the chaos, he remained unflappable. Underfed, kuposhit, bhukha. Many children in poor regions are underfed. Unscripted, aniyojit, bina script ka. The interview took an unscripted turn. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.